Alright guys, Georgia Gem, got an Alpha ED. This is a 14 pin dimple lock. See if we can get this thing picked. It's got 4 rows of pins, 2 horizontal, 2 vertical, 2 diagonal. There we go. Alright guys, got it picked. I'll lock it back up before we mess up and get this thing gutted. Turn off that autofocus. There we go. Alright, let's see. I want to try to be fast because I don't want to have the camera die on me again in the middle of the gut. Right. Two. All the springs are the same on this lock, and they're very tiny, very easy to lose. Alright, that was horizontal left, this is diagonal left. I just launched a spring, but we won't worry about that. Alright, we're going to do diagonal right now. This lock is extremely similar to the Alpha FB. The only difference is the keyway is a lot tighter, being a smaller lock. There's no interactive element. And the springs in this one are super, super weak, and you will overset so easy. All right. There's nothing special about the core. I do have some pictures of it from where I got it earlier, so I'll include them at the end of the video if you guys want to see it. And let me get you guys a close-up of the pins. See, we got these little spools. All the drivers are hollow, so the key pin, so the springs can fit in them. The zero lifts are all standards. So you got 3 there, 4, 4, and 3 for 14. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.